Welcome, esteemed warriors and strategists, to another riveting installment of War Chronicles with Shade. Today, prepare to embark on an epic journey that transcends boundaries and reshapes the very fabric of the cosmos. Settle in as we delve into the intricate tapestry of events surrounding humanity's audacious entry onto the galactic stage, sending shockwaves through the universe and leaving an indelible mark on history. For countless millennia, the Zephyr Alliance stood as the unyielding bastion of galactic supremacy. Their technological prowess and authoritarian rule enforced a pecking order that kept lesser species in check. From the timid Verthians to the formidable Draxians, all bowed before the might of the Zephyr. Despite murmurs of dissent, rebellion remained but a fleeting dream against the backdrop of their dominance. However, the cosmic equilibrium was about to be disrupted by the emergence of an unexpected contender: humanity. A species of burgeoning spacefarers, humanity's arrival was met with disdain and mockery by the Zephyr. Their ships, dwarfed by those of the Alliance, and weaponry deemed primitive, earned them little respect. The Zephyr ambassador, ensconced in opulence, dismissed humanity's aspirations of alliance with a derisive sneer, igniting raucous laughter among the council members. Yet, the laughter soon turned to silence as a harrowing distress call pierced the sanctity of the council chamber. From the dark abyss of the galactic fringes emerged the Chrysalis Swarm, a relentless horde of insectoid beings driven by insatiable hunger. Their bioorganic ships, impervious to conventional weaponry, unleashed devastation on an unprecedented scale, reducing planets to barren wastelands with chilling efficiency. Panic gripped the council, sending shockwaves through the once unshakable pillars of galactic power. As fear and uncertainty gripped the cosmos, humanity found itself thrust into the crucible of conflict, faced with an existential threat that defied comprehension. In the crucible of adversity, the true mettle of humanity would be tested, and the fate of the galaxy would hang in the balance like never before. In the wake of devastation, even the formidable Zephyr Alliance felt a tremor of fear as their once secure outposts faltered. Amidst the chaos, a desperate plea for aid echoed through the halls of power, turning to the most unlikely of saviors: humanity. The Zephyr ambassador, his feathers now ruffled with uncertainty, returned to the council, his tone stripped of its former arrogance. "We require your assistance, humans," he rasped, igniting a collective gasp among the council members. The same humans who were dismissed moments ago now stood as the last beacon of hope. In response, humanity roared with defiance, embodied by the weathered Captain Amelia Rodriguez, whose steely gaze met the Zephyr ambassadors. "We came in peace," she declared, her voice unwavering, "but we don't shy away from war. We fight for survival. We fight for freedom." Her words reverberated with a power that surpassed expectations, revealing a species unburdened by centuries of dominance and unyielding in the face of adversity. As the Zephyr Alliance braced for a token force, they were met with the full might of humanity's war machine. Emerging from hyperspace, the human fleet, though modest in size, overwhelmed with sheer numbers. Adaptation became their greatest weapon, as archaic railguns and guided missiles tore through the Chrysalis Swarm's defenses with ruthless efficiency. Energy cannons, fueled by groundbreaking technology, carved swathes of destruction through the enemy ranks, turning the tide of battle in humanity's favor. The once unstoppable Chrysalis horde, accustomed to brute force tactics, faltered in the face of humanity's ingenuity. Their invincible ships crumbled like paper beneath the relentless assault, as humanity led the charge towards a new dawn of galactic supremacy. As the onslaught unfolded, Captain Amelia Rodriguez commanded her flagship, the indomitable Iron Will, leading the charge with unwavering resolve. Her voice, a beacon of courage, resonated through every human vessel, inspiring awe and fear alike across the galaxy. From the observation decks of grand cruisers, the Zephyr, Tali, Drow, and Vorn watched in stunned silence as humanity, once dismissed as primitives, unleashed unmatched ferocity and tactical brilliance upon the battlefield. In a display of strategic prowess, human fighters weaved through the wreckage, delivering precise death blows with chilling efficiency. The tide of battle turned inexorably, heralding the dawn of a new era dominated by humanity's ascendancy. Though the conflict raged for days, the outcome was never in doubt. The Chrysalis horde, their ranks decimated, retreated into the void, leaving behind a trail of charred wreckage and shattered dreams. The once proud Zephyr Alliance stood humbled, their dominance forever shattered. Yet, amidst the ruins, a newfound respect, or perhaps even awe, emerged from the smaller races towards humanity. In the aftermath, amidst the arduous task of rebuilding and reconciliation, the galaxy grappled with the repercussions of the conflict. Though the Chrysalis threat loomed subdued, reconstruction efforts burgeoned, spearheaded by humanity's unexpected engineering prowess. However, the Zephyr faced a different kind of challenge, reckoning with their own arrogance exposed on the galactic stage. Resentment simmered among the smaller races, with demands for reparations echoing through the halls of power. The pragmatic Brock sought to forge alliances with the rising human power, while the Tali, emboldened, pressed for accountability. In the face of mounting pressure, the Zephyr Council, stripped of its former authority, scrambled for damage control, ushering in a new era of diplomacy under the leadership of Xylan. Amidst it all, humanity emerged as a force to be reckoned with, led by the reluctant heroism of Captain Amelia Rodriguez, who stood as a symbol of resilience and determination on the galactic stage. Captain Elena Ramirez stood resolute at the helm, embodying unwavering determination as she rebuffed any notions of human supremacy. Instead, she championed the establishment of a cooperative council, advocating for a united front to confront future threats. This marked the inception of an uneasy alliance, birthing a new galactic order where humanity's worth was begrudgingly acknowledged, despite lingering wariness among other races. Amidst this shifting landscape, the Tali shed their former timidity, embracing a newfound assertiveness as they actively engaged in council affairs. Meanwhile, the Drow, renowned for their shrewdness, strategically leveraged their resources to bolster their position within the galactic hierarchy. Yet, the specter of the Chrysalis threat loomed ominously over the fragile peace. Though vanquished in battle, remnants of the Horde retreated to the far reaches of the galaxy, nursing their ambitions of conquest. In response, the Council took proactive measures, establishing a standing defense force tasked with safeguarding the galaxy against the ever-looming possibility of a resurgence. Humanity's indelible legacy, forged amidst the crucible of conflict, emerged as a beacon of hope and strength. Their resilience, coupled with an unwavering spirit of innovation, reshaped the very fabric of galactic power dynamics. However, as the future remained uncertain, questions lingered. Would the Council stand united in the face of looming threats, or would discord once again plunge the galaxy into chaos? As the cosmic stage awaited the unfolding of events, the destiny of the galaxy hung in the balance, poised between the promise of peace and the specter of conflict. Only time would reveal the ultimate outcome of humanity's transformative journey from underdogs to galactic heroes.